roots of the modern atomic theory can be traced back to Democritus, one of the ancient Greeks, but it was only a little over 100 years ago that the evidence was found to prove that atoms actually existed. In 1897, J.J. Thomson, a British physicist, found a tiny negatively charged particle that he called an electron. A few years later, Ernest Rutherford found evidence of the nucleus of atoms. With such painstaking research, a picture of atoms began to emerge. We now know that atoms are composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. The nucleus comprises protons and neutrons. Each proton carries one fundamental unit of positive electrical charge. Neutrons have no charge. The electrons move about in the space around the nucleus. They carry a negative electrical charge. Positive and negative electrical charges attract each other, and it is that attraction that holds the atom together. The reason why it was so difficult to understand atoms is that they are so incredibly tiny. To give an idea of their size, about 50 million atoms of solid material lined up in a row would measure 1 centimeter, about the thickness of a single French fry. Atoms are tiny, but the different parts of an atom are even a fraction of that size. Compare the nucleus of an atom to the size of a marble at the starting line of a 100-meter track. The electron would be the size of a speck of sand halfway down the track. The rest of the atom is empty space. Although atoms are considered the smallest units of matter, research has shown that there are more than 100 different subatomic particles. However, for the purposes of chemistry, they have no immediate impact. Chemical behavior of matter can be understood simply in terms of protons, neutrons, and electrons.